welcome to another session of Curriculum Studies in Chemistry, ESC 216. I am your course facilitator, Nihad Goni, and this is Unit 1, Session 5, Features of the Senior High School Chemistry Syllabus. This session will take a look at the SHS Chemistry Syllabus, which is a very important document to the SHS Chemistry teacher. As chemistry teacher trainee, you must be very familiar with the chemistry syllabus and be able to interpret it. By the end of this session, you should be able to 1. State at least 4 benefits of the chemistry curriculum to any country. 2. State the general aims of the SHS chemistry syllabus. Also, explain the scope of content of the SHS chemistry syllabus. 4. State at least 6 prerequisite skills for the SHS chemistry syllabus. And 5. Draw the outline of the SHS chemistry syllabus for SHS 1 to 3, showing the various sections and units. How important is the chemistry curriculum to every society? Knowledge of chemistry is applied in a lot of areas. In health and medicine, it helps in the production of drugs, vaccines and antibiotics to treat and prevent diseases spread by microbes. In our food and agri industry, it helps in the production of fertilizers, selective weed killers, and pesticides. This has helped to increase food production. In our textile industry, it is helpful in the production of quality clothes due to the development of new materials such as polyester, nylon, among others. As a central science, chemistry is applied in many subject areas, in anatomy, in biology, among others. And that chemistry is about humans and everything around them. Therefore, it is a subject of vital importance for life. It also leads to careers such as chemistry teachers, like myself, medical doctors, nurse, pharmacists, veterinary officers, geologists, chemical engineers, and a lot more. And so it gives you a lot of career opportunities to follow. Knowledge in chemistry enables us to understand, explain, control, and prevent phenomena that are hazardous to the environment, like ozone depletion, bushfires, and industrial pollution, among others. Chemical research has also led to the production of materials such as plastics, paints, rubber, adhesives, and so on, which makes life easier. A look at the chemistry syllabus. We'll be looking at various areas in them. The first is the general aims of it. Then we look at the scope of content of the SHS chemistry syllabus. Then the prerequisite skills for the SHS chemistry course. We'll then look at the outline of the SHS chemistry syllabus for SHS 1 to 3, showing the various sections and units. All these are in the chemistry syllabus for senior high schools in Ghana. Let's look at them. This is the teacher syllabus for chemistry, senior high schools 1 to 3, from the Ministry of Education, specifically the Curriculum Research and Development Division. This curriculum or syllabus was provided or published in September 2010. Now we want to base our studies today on the general aims of the syllabus. We've already studied the rationale or the reasons for the curriculum for chemistry. Now looking at the general aims, there are 12 in number. First is to create awareness of the interrelationship between chemistry and the other disciplines in careers. 2. To provide knowledge, understanding, and appreciation of the scientific methods, their potential and limitations. 3. Create awareness that chemical reactions and their applications have significant implications for society and then the environment. 4. Develop the ability to relate chemistry in school to the chemistry in modern and traditional industries or to real-world situations. There are a number of them. I've read up to 4 But I encourage you as a science teacher, an upcoming science teacher, to get access to the curriculum or the chemistry syllabus and look through them. Now, let's move to the scope of content. The syllabus builds upon the science learned at the JHS level, and it is designed to offer at the senior high school level the chemistry that is required to promote an understanding of the chemical processes that are taking place all around us. The syllabus is also designed to provide enough chemistry to students who will end their study of chemistry at the SHS level, for students who will require knowledge of chemistry in their vocational studies, and also for students who wish to continue their studies at the tertiary institution. Let's look at the prerequisite skills for this course. The outline of the course requires a proficiency in English language and a high level of achievement in your JHS integrated science. Mathematical knowledge in the following areas is also required to facilitate the learning of the subject chemistry. You need the arithmetic and algebraic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, including fractions. You also need to have knowledge in indices, reciprocal, standard forms, decimals, significant figures, and approximations. All other aspects of mathematics include graph drawing and their interpretation, equation of a straight line, slopes and intercepts, owing to the use of the internet and search engines, and the knowledge in food and nutrition. The duration of the course, according to the syllabus, is 3 years of senior high school education. For the period allocation, a total of 6 periods per week is allocated to the teaching of chemistry, with each period consisting of 40 minutes. The teaching period is divided as follows. For year 1, the total of 6 periods, 2 should go for practicals and 4 for your theory lessons. Same should go for your second year and same for your third year. Now, teachers are to note that they should ensure their students are adequately prepared before each practical class. That means that you should give them enough information theoretically before they come to the practical room. And then teachers should also ensure that the practical classes are started in the second year alongside the theory classes. The organization of the syllabus. The syllabus has been structured to cover the 3 years of SHS program. Each year's work consists of a number of sections, with each section comprising of a number of units. The structure of the syllabus is as follows. Let's view that. For the SHS 1 syllabus, you can see we have Introduction to Chemistry with 3 units under them, Atomic Structure 3 units, Chemical Bonds, and then Conservation of Matter and Stoichiometry also here. In section 5 for SHS 1, we have the states of matter. That will be ending for SHS 1. For the SHS 2, we start with energy and energy changes as section 1. Inorganic chemistry continues, chemical kinetics and equilibrium. Section 4 takes acids and bases. And then section 5 goes into redox reactions and electrochemistry. Section 6 takes care of the chemistry of carbon compounds. Now let's evaluate the SHS 3 content subject structure. For their first section, they look at the chemistry, industry, and environment. Section 2 will take care of the basic biochemistry. Now that is the structure of the chemistry syllabus. I entreat you to get access to one and carefully observe and study it as an upcoming chemistry teacher. This is some self-assessment questions to try our hands on. 1. State at least 4 benefits of the chemistry curriculum to any country. 2. State the general aims of the SHS chemistry syllabus. 3. Explain the scope of content of the SHS chemistry syllabus. 4. State at least 6 prerequisite skills for the SHS chemistry course. And 5. Draw the outline of the SHS chemistry syllabus for SHS 1 to 3, showing the various sections and units. We have come to the end of this session. In this session, we learned the benefits of the chemistry curriculum to any country for the fact that it is important for diverse vital areas of human life, like health and medicine, food and agric, among others. We then looked at the SHS chemistry syllabus from the GES, specifically the CRDD, which is the Curriculum and Research Development Division. We looked at the scope of content, the prerequisite skills for the SHS chemistry course, and then the outline of the chemistry course's structure, which are into various sections and units. I still entreat you as an upcoming chemistry teacher to have access to a chemistry syllabus of your own. You can download it online and kindly observe and study it. Thank you and see you in our final session of this unit. Bye.